Beauties, it's me, Allegra. I'm hopping on today with a huge haul 2023. This is everything that I got this week, kind of. I don't know, guys. I don't know what is here because this is actually, I guess you would call it a PO box unboxing, because some of this stuff is PR, some of this is stuff that I bought, and I do have it sent to my PO box. So I'm not sure what it is because, again, like I always say, I've been waiting for you dolls to go through this whole shebang here. So let's get into it because I am so excited. I don't know what this is and I am just itching to find out. So, and guys, I cannot wait to show you, but I'm going to be having a huge giveaway. I hopefully have it ready now. I'm going to insert a clip right about here. So today's giveaway is for this Dior makeup bag and also these Louis Vuitton perfume samples. There's actually 3 of them. And the Too Faced Cosmic Crush, some Juvia's Place blush, some skincare, an Il Makiage eyeshadow palette. So beautiful. This Tres Luce Beauty lipstick. This Ariana Grande lipstick from her line REM Beauty. And this Whispering Rosé Violet Voss palette. This is a face palette. And that's pretty much everything in today's giveaway. There's actually going to be more surprises in the box for you when you get it, but let me know if you'd like to take part and be entered into today's giveaway. Just be a subscriber to take part in this giveaway. Also, comment #GlamFam down below, and also give me a thumbs up if you like this giveaway. Definitely give me a thumbs up and let me know. So let's go ahead now and open up these packages. I cannot wait to see what this is. So what is this? I still don't know. What is this? I still don't know what this is. You guys, what is this? Oh my god, what is this? It's beautiful packaging. Let's go ahead and see. Oh, it's from Makeup Revolution. Okay, now it all makes sense. Because I'm like, this is so beautiful. I thought, is it an indie brand? I wasn't sure. Oh my goodness, it's a palette. Wow, so this is, again, from Makeup Revolution, Make a Splash Summer Proof Edit. So this is a, let's see here, the 5D Whip Lift Mascara, which is supposed to be waterproof and retails for $10. Oh, and I was just reading the literature here. They said 90% said that they did not have smudging. So that is amazing because I will experience smudging with a lot of the mascaras out there. So they said 90% agree they did not have smudging. So how awesome does that sound? And they said they wore it all day. And then in here is also, oh, here it is, beautiful packaging for this eyeliner. This is the Renaissance eyeliner, and it says that it retails for $9. Let me take a look at this. And then there's a palette in here too. This is so nice. And isn't this is the most beautiful packaging of life ever? I don't know, but look at, and this is beautiful packaging. Oh, look at how precise that looks. Gold. It looks like rose gold, and it feels so good in your hand. It feels like an actual pen. So it feels really good and comfy. Let me see how it works. Oh, it's so precise, you guys. I'm in love. I'm in love with this. Hello. Oh, this feels so good. It's so firm. It feels so precise. It feels so good in my hand. I have good control over it. And let's see, I guess it's going to be summer proof too. So is this going to be budge proof? Let's see, because I do have hooded eyes. Hopefully it won't get stuck in my hooding. But let me see what it says about this eyeliner, because I do feel that it's wet right now and I'm scared it's going to get stuck in my hooding. So let me just let it dry a moment. But they said flick it, wing it, draw it, draw it, whatever your eyeliner level you can achieve any desired look with this black felt tip eyeliner from Makeup Revolution. So it's still a little wet over here. I'm just worried that I'll, maybe it won't, but I'm scared because, with me, it'll get all over my hooding. Oh, it's fine. Okay. I get so scared because in the past, things will get wonky. Let's put it that way. So, and then beauties, there is this beautiful palette. Now, first of all, it's butterflies. It is like watercolor butterflies. Oh, is it metal? It feels so good in my hand. So it's the Forever Flawless Digi Butterfly eyeshadow palette. And okay, it's wrapped up here. So let me go ahead and open it. Let's get you guys hear that? I'm like, I have to, yeah, it's wrapped really good. So it's actually like a clear sleeve over it. This is beautiful. Can you believe how gorgeous that is? It's like abstract and just, oh my God, let me see. Oh, wow. Okay. How beautiful is that? That is stunning. That's gorgeous. Oh, wings. It looks, oh, I can't wait. I'll be back and I'll test out this mascara. We'll test everything out together, see if it really is, you know, oh, here's the mascara. So this is the mascara that they say is waterproof, smudge proof. So I can't wait to try this. And it's a great price. If it will be all of that, then I don't have to purchase, because right now the Pat McGrath and the Fenty do that for me. They're just staying so well, but you know, they are a bit pricey. So this one here, if it will work as good, if not better, this one is only $10. So I can't wait to find out, and I'll be back and let you guys know. We'll do it together. We'll find out together. So here's a package. Maybe I ordered this. It's from Amazon. So I might order this. I'm not sure. Or an Amazon, maybe an Amazon seller sent it to me. I'm not sure. Oh, I didn't order this. They must have sent this to me to try. This is Bath Bombs 12-piece set from Laguna Moon. That's amazing. 12 bath bombs, because I was at Lush again the other day. One bath bomb is like $10, $9. It's basically $10. So I actually, did I order this? I don't remember. I don't think I ordered. Did I order? I'll have to find out. I'll find out. Oh, I smell them already. Just taking the plastic off, they smell so good. And look at that beautiful, this is beautifully packaged. And let's see here, I didn't order this. Oh, this is like a Chanel box, so beautiful for a gift or for yourself, or for, you know, for yourself or for a loved one. But it says natural, fine, natural, and chic. You guys, I would have remembered seeing this on Amazon, you know, just in the pictures. They must have just sent this to me to try. First of all, these smell so good. They do smell on the citrusy side, which is very nice, especially for the summer. Oh, look how beautiful. They're small, beautifully wrapped, like little Godiva chocolates. That's what I feel like. Oh, it's called chocolate. This one is called Chocolate Chip Mint. Wow. This is so much fun, because you feel like you're reaching for, you know, like you got a box of chocolates and you're reaching for the truffles. So I can't wait to show this to my husband. He's gonna be so happy, and I'll try them out too, of course, but he's like really into baths. So, and then I sit with him, so I take in the aromatherapy, you know, the effects, but he needs the baths for his body, because he uses the Epsom salts. Oh, this one is called Strawberry Cream. Oh my God. These smell so good. Green tea matcha. Wow. There's so many in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I gotta let you know. I'm gonna put the picture up here, because this I'm sure was not, you know, with Amazon pricing, this is probably like $29, right? I'm not sure. I'm gonna look it up, but definitely, again, Lush one is $10. So who wants to do that? So thank you so much, Laguna Moon. I think that they sent that to me. I'm pretty sure, because I would remember seeing that. I've never seen anything like that, the way it looks like a box of chocolates but filled with bath bombs. That's amazing. So I'm gonna say thank you to Laguna Moon for sending that. And it's a mix and match 12-piece set. And again, from Amazon, so it has to be those amazing Amazon prices. Maybe they're having a special for Amazon Prime. Again, I will have the prices and everything to purchase that down below. But then we got this package here, beauty. So I'm not sure who this is from. This might be from Zaful, because I had, yes, this is from Zaful. And they had reached out to me and they wanted to send me some swimwear. So I'm going to be back with a swimwear haul from Zaful. But I did pick everything. Look at how they come in these nice bags. I love that. But look at this, you guys. Oh my God. Zaful bikinis are such great quality. That's why I was like, yes, please. This feels so silky. It has just the highest quality feel to the material. It is a underwire, so it's gonna just provide support. This reminds me exactly of this Frankie's bikini that I had just seen. And Frankie's bikini, everybody is like crazy for. They're hundreds of dollars for one piece. This whole set from Zaful is like $17. So I'm gonna try it on and I'll be back. But look how cute. And then I got the bottoms, and then let's just go through them and I'll show you what I got. But again, I'll be back and I'll try them on with you and let you know how they work out for me, because I need big, I'm at the lake every day swimming. Oh, here's a beautiful one piece. Oh, I can't wait to wear this. We've been having parties and everything, and this is something I would definitely love to wear to a party. Again, this is less than $20, has the tortoise detailing on it. Oh my god, this lavender shade, the material is so nice and thick. Like you can see, it's going to, you know, keep you held in. It's not going to be, it's not flimsy. I've had these Zaful bikinis before and they last me for years. I still have mine from like 5 years ago. But it's nice to change it up with the different colors and the different styles. So then it has the crisscross back. I can't wait, because when I have a party, I'm not gonna go out in a bikini. I'll wear a bikini by myself with my husband, but and of course I'll show you guys, but you know, I don't like to wear, well, I like to wear one piece, you know, with family, with, you know, with my husband's friends, with friends, you know. So oh my god, look at how beautiful this one is. It has this cornflower blue, the tie, the knot in the front, and then, oh, it has the straps too, so you can wear it like that. I can't, this is, isn't this beautiful? I'm sorry. I think you guys would really agree too. And then it's like this bronze and blue. And again, so soft and such thick material. Removable pads in all the ones I've shown you guys so far. These are the bottoms. Oh, look, very nice big bottoms, you know, not G-string like that, you know. No, I'm never gonna wear that. And there's a few more in here. Let's just, I'm so excited now to wear these because I was getting bored of my bathing suits that I have, to be completely honest, because, you know, I've had them so long. But look at this gorgeous mocha shade. Look at the fabric. It has this twist to the fabric. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I can't wait to wear that because I love that color. How would you describe that? As mocha, or yeah, mocha or bronze or chocolatey? And then I got one more here, and now all of these came to less than $100 because they did give me $100 credit to pick out. So I got all of these for less than $100. So, oh, look at this one. This is beautiful. Oh, this is a good one to wear to the family party too. To, you know, when my husband's friends are there and things, I don't want to come out in a bikini, you know, with his friends. So, and then, you know, family events. I like I said, I wear the bikini. It's just me and my husband. I'll wear that. But anyway, this is so soft. I think you guys can even see how silky. Lined. Look at the beautiful lining. This beautiful green tone. It's very French toile. And what is this? Oh, it comes with a matching headband. Stop. You guys, how cute is that gonna look together? Or you could put it like that, you know, on top. I don't know. We'll see. But I bought some bathing suits the other day, and I wanted the matching headband, and it was like the headband alone was like $40 to match. I regret it because look at that one from Zaful. Same exact thing, same exact quality, actually more beautiful in design. So I can't wait to wear those. I'll be back and we'll do a try-on haul. It'll be amazing. I did get my Ipsy box here. Let me show you. But I will come back and open this up with you beauties in a separate video. But here is the Ipsy. Apparently, there's a Natasha Denona palette in here. Some people said it was broken, so I'm going to be back like tomorrow. And we'll, you know, I'll probably unbox it in a minute. And then, you know, anyway, it'll be a separate video. And then beauties, I got this. I just wanted to show you quickly, but I wound up getting this. This is the Color Wow Style on Steroids. And a lot of people were showing this on TikTok, saying how it made their hair so big. It really does. If you want big hair, this is wow. And it was sold out at Sephora, sold out online. I wound up getting this on Amazon. So, and it was from the Color Wow store. So it's just wow. If you want volume to your hair, that's definitely going to do it for you. And then these I got, beauties. This is part of my haul for this week. I got these Gucci sandals. Here they are. Let me go ahead and try to do this without them falling out. So, eek! I've been wearing these. I put them back in the box to show you. These are so cute. The pink, this cream canvas, the raw material slide. Love this. I really love these. I am really happy that I got, because I was going to return them because I was like, Alegra, you don't need them. But then I put them on and they felt so good on. And I actually have a Gucci bag with this matching color. So I thought that was so cute. I'm going to match my shoes, and my bag or my shoes are gonna match. So I just really fell in love with these. These are very comfy too, because I told myself I wasn't going to buy any more Gucci shoes because all the ones that I bought are very painful. Even the flip-flops, I bought slides. Who would think slides are painful? These slides from Gucci were painful. I got my size 2, which is 39. Actually, sometimes a few of them I have 39.5, so 39 and a half, 9.5, which I don't even wear 9.5. I wear a size basically a 8 or 8.5, but you know, they always say to size up with, I guess, the European sizing. So they don't hurt in the back. They hurt like in the side, like they'll cut into the side of your foot. It's very weird, but these are comfortable. These feel so good. I feel so good with these on. I actually, when I have them on, I don't want to take them off. So for that reason, I think it was a good purchase. So beauties, that's everything from my haul of the week. Huge haul 2023. It's not really that huge, but you know, it's pretty huge for me. It was pretty big. So actually, if we unbox that Ipsy box, that box is the mother load in it. But I will be back and we'll unbox that together in a makeup subscription box unboxing. So anyways, don't forget to take part in the giveaway. I cannot wait to see who wins. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. Thank you for spending time with me today, and I will see you very soon. Bye.